Prabhupada Antaranga Our Priya Pragyana Andre Prabhupada Antaranga Sisarup Prabhupada Antaranga Sisarupa Rupanuga Site Sava Bhakti Pragyana Gauriya Vedanta this mercy of Guru Padma, we have come the Samadhi Mandir of Srila Madhavendra Puripad. You know Madhavendra Puripad, he performed bhajan and sadhan in Vrindavan on the Giriraj Govardhan near Govinda Kunda. And then Krishna also came there, and also I also explained he did Ajacha Gritya. That means he did not ask any bhiksha, alms for anyone. So one day about an evening time, then Krishna also brought milk for him. And he told, "Ye Baba, you take this milk because my mother sent this milk for you." Then Madhavendra Puripad asked, "How do you know I am not taking anything and complete this?" Then that boy, he told, "My mother, he came here and saw your face, so you are very thirsty and hungry. For this regard, my mother sent this milk, please take this." When Madhavendra Puripad saw the very nice, beautiful, shining face of that boy, in his heart completely got captivated. And then Madhavendra just was looking. Then after few minutes, he disappeared. Then Madhavendra Puripad, when he drank the milk, and all kinds of ecstatic symptom manifested in his heart. Then in night time, same boy came and told, "Hey Madhavendra Puripad, I am staying here. I am waiting for you. My Vigraha is here, and so you have to manifest my Vigraha. Kabe asi Madhav More Koribe Sevan. I am waiting for you when Madhav and Madhavendra Puripad will come and worship to me." And then in a dream, that boy also lead to the place where the Thakurji is there. And same form and who came in front of him. So he's saying, because this deity is manifested by Vajranath, that is called Gopal. Vajranath, he manifested many big grahas in there, this Gopal. So we are saying, "Kabe asi Madhav More Koribe Sevan." So I am waiting for you. So please come. And also, actual in that time of Muslim, they also disturbed the Hindus' temple and destroyed it. So that time Pujari, he left this Gopal, and Gopal is under the earth. So Thakurji, he told, "I am under the earth, so you also manifest to me." And Kabe asi Madhav Mori Koribe Sevan. When Madhavendra Puripad will come and also serve to me. So early in the morning, Madhavendra Puripad, he came in that place with all the Brajavasis and digged that the place and found very nice, beautiful Gopal.
Where was this place? Was it?
Govardhan, Govinda Kunda. Now that Thakurji's name is called Srinathji. Srinathji now in Jaipur. Not Jaipur, Udaipur. And very nice, beautiful deities. If you go and see the very nice, beautiful deities.
The original one.
Original. And twice I also went there. If you want to go, very nice.
You've never been to Udaipur?
We went to just Jaipur, then coming back. Maybe once we will go to Nathadar. Especially also Nathadar, you have very nice, you early in the morning. That time Thakurji and complete is also naked. Only door open. And can see Thakurji whole body, very nice, beautiful, attention, smiling face. Madhavendra Puripad, that manifested by Madhavendra Puripad. So now coming in this Madhavendra Puripad, then he manifested this Vigraha, Srinathji, that he called Gopal. Then Madhavendra Puripad, he also celebrated very nice, beautiful festival. That is called Giriraj Maha Mahotsav. 1 month, Madhavendra Puripad, he also observed this festival in there. These things very nicely and vividly explained in Chaitanya Charitamritam, how Madhavendra Puripad, he also celebrated his Thakurji and Srinathji Gopal. Then Thakurji, he told Madhavendra Puripad, many years I was under the earth, so I am feeling so much hot. So you have to bring some sandalwood from South India. Madhavendra Puripad, then he proceeded to South. And that time he was very old. Then he came here in this place. Just I told one night he was staying in this place. There is Remuna. And then also Thakurji stole what is called kheer, sweet rice, and Amritkali sweet rice. This katha I already told. Then Madhavendra Puripad, he left this place and went to south and brought the sandalwood. And one night he also was staying. Then Thakurji, he told, "Hey Madhavendra Puripad, listen, Gopal and my the same. So if now you are very old, you cannot carry. So this sandalwood paste you could put my body." So Madhavendra Puripad, he also put the sandalwood paste on the body of Gopinath. That Gopinath is called Kheer Chora Gopinath. We are coming from this place. Kheer Chora Gopinath is Madhavendra Puripad. Then after a couple of days, Madhavendra Puripad, he also entered in his Samadhi. So you have seen this Samadhi. When I came here, that time not temple is here. Even this time this building is not here. It's complete empty places. Now many temple, many houses there. I came here about 30 years before here. And that's a complete, very nice, beautiful place.
Jungle, forest.
Very nice, beautiful place. When I came here, that time saw very nice, beautiful place. One year ago, I am remembering, I came here with the bus party of Paribrajak Maharaj. He brought in that time. That time also traveled in South India also. So I remember here midnight, we also cooked and took prasad about, 2 buses I think so, about 120 something this. All devotees also took prasad and then we went to Jagannath Puri.
Maharaj, Madhavendra Puripad live 40 here.
Yeah, he is Samadhi. Samadhi means he entered in Samadhi. Samadhi, yes, this is.
So means that
He didn't take the sandalwood to Govardhan.
No, I told, the Lord
Because
Thakurji
it's
told, this Kirchara Gopinath, he told,
It's the same.
this, I am non-different from Gopal, so you are very old, so you have to put this and this.
And then he left it.
He left his body. Madhavendra Puripad. Yeah. So this is Madhavendra Puripad Samadhi Mandir. Baro Madhavendra Puripad ki Jai Jai Sri Ram. I think this is now undertaking of Babaji Sampradaya. I think so. Yeah.
Hey Maharaj, then Madhavendra Puripad was worshipping here, Gopinath.
Yes.
Pardon?
Madhavendra Puripad. He stay here, he left body here, right?
Yeah.
Then he was worshipping this Thakurji.
Madhavendra Puripad,
Yes, he put sandalwood.
he did not worship Thakurji. Actually, his bhajan is Ashtakal Lila. That time he was become old. These things. Bolo Madhavendra Puripad ki jai. When you will take the breakfast?
Hey Maharaj, last time we were taking breakfast there. Where is it?
Last time we will take
Yeah,
breakfast
last time
there.
when they came in
Because
Sridhar Maharaj.
they
Sridhar Maharaj.
but we didn't.
We saw the Rasikananda Prabhus, they are also.
Yeah.
Narottam, Samananda, Srinivas, Prabhus, many things also there. Bolo Madhavendra Puripad ki jai, jai Jai Shri Ram.